Hey guys, welcome back again. Now today in this video I am going to show you how to fix laptop charger not working after power surge on Windows. So for this guys, first method, reset the CMOS, and the second method is connect the another charger and try. Hopefully guys this will fix your problem, and if not work, try the third and final method. So for this guys, right click on the start menu and select here device manager. Now expand the batteries, right click on battery driver like this and select the update driver. You can try the both options. Try the first one, search automatically for drivers, and the another one option is select the browse my computer for drivers and click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Finally select the driver, click on next and complete the process. And if not work, reinstall the driver. So go to device manager, expand the batteries, right click on driver and select the uninstall device and complete the process. After this guys, once again install the driver on your PC. Hopefully guys this will fix your problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.